Thinking about importing dietary supplements into the US? Here's what you need to know. The FDA treats imported supplements just like domestic ones. They must comply with all US regulations. That means proper labeling, safe ingredients, and GMP compliant manufacturing. When your shipment arrives, US Customs and Border Protection and the FDA will review it. If anything looks off, like missing documentation or red flags on the label, your shipment could be detained or refused entry. To avoid delays, make sure your labels are FDA compliant, work with a customs broker familiar with supplement imports, and keep your facility registration and product documentation up to date. And remember, even if your product is made overseas, you are responsible for its compliance once it hits US soil. Need help reviewing your labels or prepping for import? That's what we're here for. Contact us today